how to pay for Uber Eats with cash. Now, the first thing that we need to do is just open up the Uber Eats app. And here from the home screen, we will click on account at the bottom right corner. So from here, you will see an option called wallet. Just click on wallet. And we want to add a payment method. So I'm just going to click on add payment method. And here at the top, you should see cash. If you don't see cash, then you need to know that paying with cash on Uber Eats is not available in all cities. In some cities, you will be allowed to pay with cash. In others, you will not. So currently, here, I don't have it for me. But if you also have Uber Cash, you can select Uber Cash and you can use this cash that you have on your Uber Eats app to pay for your orders. But that's basically it. If you don't see the Uber Eats cash option, then you are not in one of these supported cities. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.